Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to delete your Adguard account. Okay, so if you have any account on Adguard, so how you can delete it. So basically, first of all, I want to tell you, if you have any subscription on Adguard, first of all please cancel your subscription, otherwise you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription. Okay, so if you cancel your subscription, now you can delete your account very easily. First of all, what you have to do, you need to compose an email. The email format you can see, this is the example, and in the email you need to provide each and everything. You can take a screenshot or you can take help from ChatGPT. Okay, and once your email is done, you need to send this email at their email address. The email address you can see over on your screen, adguardaccount.com or privacy@adguard.com. You can send your request their email, and in the email you need to ask a proof of deleting your account, and you need to ask a reply from their side like your account is deleted. Okay, and once you get reply from their side, it means your account is deleted. If not, you need to keep in touch with the customer support team. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.